Welcome to this training session on NFPA 30. The Flammable and Combustible Liquids Code. This code is essential for ensuring safety in facilities that stores, handle, and process flammable and combustible liquids. Whether you are designing a facility, managing operations, or overseeing safety, understanding the requirements of NFPA 30 is crucial to preventing accidents, fires, and explosions. In these sessions, we will cover the core principle requirements and best practice for compliance with NFPA 30. What is NFPA 30? NFPA 30 provides the minimum requirements for the storage, handling, and use of flammable and combustible liquids. It outlines guidelines to minimize the risks of fires and explosion by establishing safe practices for storing and handling flammable and combustible liquids, protecting personal and property from hazards, and implementing fire protection and emergency response measures. The code applies to various industries, including chemical plants, fuel storage, and manufacturing facilities. Why is NFPA 30 important? Flammable and combustible liquids are widely used but can be hazardous. A flammable liquid has flash point below 38 Celsius degree and combustible liquid has flash point above 30, 38 Celsius degree. These fluids pose serious risks of fires and explosions and environmental contamination. NFPA 30 helps mitigate these risks by establishing critical guidelines for safe storage and handling, proper containment and fire prevention, safe transfer and transport of liquids. Scope of NFPA 30. NFPA 30 applies to all facilities where flammable and combustible liquids are stored, handling, and reused. This includes 1. Bulk storage tanks and containers. 2. Transfer operations such as pumps and piping systems. 3. Workplace environments such as warehouses, garage, and chemical manufacturing plants. 4. Dispensing operations such as fueling stations. Um, Core principles of NFPA 30. 1. Liquid classifications. NFPA 30 categorizes liquids based on their flash points and boiling points. These classifications are essential in determining storage, handling, and fire protection system requirements. Class 1. Flammable liquids with flash points below 38 Celsius degree. Examples include gasoline and acetone. Class 2. Combustible liquids with flash points between 38 Celsius degree and 60 Celsius degree. Examples include diesel fuel. Class 3. Combustible liquid with flash point above 60 Celsius degree. Examples include motor oils and cooking oils. Regarding storage and handling requirements, NFPA 30 outlines specific requirements for the storage and handling flammable liquids and combustible liquids, including containers. Liquids should be stored in approved containers such as drums, tanks, and safety cans. Tanks and bulk storage. Storage tanks must be built to meet fire resistance standards and include features like pressure relief valves. Separation distance. Safe distance must be maintained between liquid storage areas and other structures or ignition source. These distances vary based on the amount of liquid being stored and its classifications. 3. Ventilation and spill containment. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent the buildup of flammable vapors. Facilities must ensure adequate ventilation in storage and processing areas. Spill containment systems such as dikes and secondary containment to prevent liquids from escaping during spills or leaks. Properly designed drainage system to safely direct liquids away from critical areas. Regarding fire prevention and fire protection, NFPA 30 places a strong emphasis on fire prevention and protection, is especially in areas where flammable and combustible liquids are handled. Their key requirements include 1. Fire extinguishing and suppression systems. Use Class B fire extinguishers in areas where flammable liquids are present. Implement automatic suppression systems such as sprinklers or foam system in bulk storage areas. Ignition source. 2. Ignition source. Eliminate source of ignition by using explosion-proof electrical equipment and grounding containers to prevent static discharge. Establish non-smoking policies in areas where flammable liquids are stored or used. Regarding transfer, operation and dispensing. Safe transfer and dispensing of liquids is critical in preventing spills and fires. NFPA 30 requires proper equipment, pumps, hoses and nozzles must be properly designed for the specific type of liquid being transferred. Control of static electricity. Use bonding and grounding techniques to ensure that static electricity is safely discharged during liquid transfer operations. And leak detection and emergency shutoff. Install leak detection systems and emergency shutoff valve to quickly stop flow of liquid in case of spill or fire. Regarding personal training and safety. Training employees and on the proper handling of flammable and combustible liquids is essential for safety. NFPA 30 mandates that employees should be trained in proper storage, handling, and emergency procedures. Emergency response plans should include procedures and for responding to fires, spills, and hazardous material leaks. Personal protective equipment such as flame-resistant clothing and gloves should be worn in high-risk areas. Regarding inspection, testing, and maintenance. Regular inspection and maintenance are essential for ensuring compliance with NFPA 30. These include routine inspection of storage tanks, piping, and dispensing equipment to detect leaks or damage. Pressure testing to verify the integrity of tanks and pipes. Maintaining and servicing fire suppression equipment to ensure it's ready for action in the event of emergency. In summary, NFPA 30 established safety requirements for the storage, handling, and transfer of flammable liquids and combustible liquids. Key principles include classifying liquids based on their flash points, storing and handling liquids safely with proper containment and separation, implementing fire prevention measures and maintaining emergency response plans, and regular inspection and training to ensure safety compliance. Thank you for joining this training on NFPA 30, Flammable Liquids and Combustible Liquids Code. Adhering to this code is essential for protecting people, property, and the environment from hazards posed by flammable and combustible liquids. If you have any question or would like more information, feel free to contact